Good afternoon, everyone. As we all know that Nyaya system is one of the most orthodox system in Indian philosophy, and Maharishi Gautam was the founder of this great system. So today I will discuss about the Nyaya theory of extraordinary perception or Alaukik perception. So according to Nyayikas, extraordinary perception or Alaukik perception is of three kinds, namely Samanalokkhan perception, Gyanalokkhan perception, and Yogoo perception. First, we will discuss about the Samanalokkhan perception. So according to Nyayikas, Samanalokkhan perception is the perception of universal. In other words, it is the perception of classes. When we say that all men are mortal, we know that mortality is true of all men. It means mortality is true not this or that man only, nor of all men who are dead and gone in the past, but of all men in the past, present, and future. But here the question arises: how do we know about the whole class of men? Right? We cannot know it by ordinary perception, since all men cannot be physically present to our senses. Right? Yet we somehow know that all men. Right? So here Nyayikas explains this knowledge of the class by an extraordinary perception, namely Samanalokkhan perception, and in which the class of men is presented through the class essence or the universal manhood. For example, when I perceive a man as man, I do perceive the manhood in him. Otherwise, I cannot directly recognize him as man. So thus it is admitted that whenever we perceive the particulars, first we perceive the universal inheres in it. And this source of perception Nyayikas treats as an extraordinary perception, and namely Samanalokkhan perception. Now, another kind of extraordinary perception is Ganun perception, and Ganun perception is the perception through complex association. In this case, an object is not directly presented to the sense organs, but it is retrieved in memory through past cognition of it, and it perceives through representation. For example, ice looks cold, the fire looks hot, etc. Right? Suppose a man has in his past experienced a piece of ice, its color and its coldness, and owing to such invariable association of touch and color, the man presents in his visual perceptions of ice and its coldness, and this results him to say ice looks cold. So it is also a very important kinds of kinds of extraordinary perception. And now the third kinds of extraordinary perception is Yogoo perception. Yogoo perception is found in yogis who possess supernatural powers, and yogis in this kinds of perception, yogis through their supernatural power of meditation can have intuitive and immediate perceptions of all objects, past, present, and future. So these are the kinds of extraordinary perception. Thank you very much.